Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with a Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to use Norwegian in the city. Exploring a new city is always thrilling, and it becomes even more enjoyable when you can communicate with the locals in their native language. Knowing some essential vocabulary related to the city can be beneficial if you plan to visit Norway or wish to expand your linguistic horizons, or to communicate better when you already are in Norway. In our discussion today, we'll introduce you to essential Norwegian vocabulary words and phrases you can use while navigating a city in Norway. Basic vocabulary: MB, 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 a city. Ei gate, ei gate, ei gate, a street. Et torg, et torg, et torg, a square. En bygning, en bygning, en bygning, a building. Ei bro, ei bro, ei bro, a bridge. En tunnel, en tunnel, en tunnel, a tunnel. Et museum, et museum, et museum, a museum. Ei kirke, ei kirke, ei kirke, a church. Et teater, et teater, et teater, a theater. Et sykehus, et sykehus, et sykehus, a hospital. En bank, en bank, en bank, a bank. En butikk, en butikk, en butikk, a shop, a store. Et hotell, et hotell, et hotell, a hotel. En restaurant, en restaurant, en restaurant, a restaurant. En kafé, en kafé, en kafé, a kafé. Useful phrases. Hvor er nærmeste bank? Hvor er nærmeste bank? Hvor er nærmeste bank? Where is the nearest bank? Jeg leter etter et museum. Jeg leter etter et museum. Jeg leter etter et museum. I'm looking for a museum. Kan du vise meg veien til hotellet? Kan du vise meg veien til hotellet? Kan du vise meg veien til hotellet? Can you show me the way to the hotel? Er det en god restaurant i nærheten? Er det en god restaurant i nærheten? Er det en god restaurant i nærheten? Is there a good restaurant nearby? Hvordan kommer jeg meg til sykehuset? Hvordan kommer jeg meg til sykehuset? Hvordan kommer jeg meg til sykehuset? How do I get to the hospital? Er dette den rette veien til teatret? Er dette den rette veien til teatret? Er dette den rette veien til teatret? Is this the right way to the theater? Jeg leter etter en matbutikk. Jeg leter etter en matbutikk. Jeg leter etter en matbutikk. I'm looking for a grocery store. Transportation vocabulary. En busstopp, en busstopp, en busstopp, a bus stop. En togstasjon, en togstasjon, en togstasjon, a train station. En flyplass, en flyplass, en flyplass, an airport. En taxi, en taxi, en taxi, a taxi. En billett, en billett, en billett, a ticket. En tidstabell, en tidstabell, en tidstabell, a timetable, a schedule. Other handy words. Åpningstider, 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 opening hours. Stengt, 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 closed. Open, 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 open. Inngang, 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 entrance. Utgang, 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 exit. Toalett, 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 toilet. Parkering, 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 parking. Tips for using Norwegian in the city. Use polite phrases. Norwegians value politeness. Always use please, vær så snill, vær så snill, vær så snill, and thank you, takk, takk, takk when appropriate. Learn a few icebreakers. While Norwegian might seem reserved initially, they're warm and friendly once you start the conversation. Phrases like "Hva synes du om været? Hva synes du om været? Hva synes du om været? What do you think about the weather?" can serve as excellent conversation starters. Ask for clarification. Don't hesitate to ask if you don't understand something. Use the phrase "Kan du gjenta det, vær så snill?" Kan du gjenta det, vær så snill? Kan du gjenta det, vær så snill? Can you repeat that, please? Learn city-specific terms. Each city might have its unique slang or terms. Ask locals about any specific words or phrases that might be helpful to know in that city. Use visual aids. If you struggle to communicate uh, specific term, having pictures or visual aids on your phone can be beneficial. For instance, showing a picture of a bus stop when asking for the bus stop, bus stop, bus stop, bus stop. Take notes. Whenever you come across a new word or phrase, jot it down. Review these notes to reinforce your learning. Whether you're exploring Oslo's vibrant streets, Bergen's ancient wooden buildings, or the northern beauty of Tromsø, these Norwegian vocabulary words and phrases will help you navigate your way and enrich your experience. While it's always a good idea to learn as much of the local language as possible when traveling, Norwegians are generally understanding and patient with those trying to learn Norwegian. So embrace the culture, practice your newfound vocabulary, and enjoy your time i byen in the city. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, one-on-one private classes, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to the Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for our free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,